Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startup. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete old emails in Gmail. So let's get started. So sometimes you receive lots of emails and you want to delete them. So deleting one by one it takes lots of time. So I'm going to show you the very easy process to delete all the old emails in one click. So to delete old emails you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now type in search bar gmail.com. So guys, this is the emails. So I want to delete these emails. So to delete these emails, here you can see this option, select. So simply click on select. So you can see all old emails were selected. So to delete these emails, here you can see the option of delete. So click on delete. So you can see your primary tab is empty. So after deleting emails from here, your emails moves to trash. So from trash, your emails will be removed after 30 days. To remove your emails permanently now, you have to simply open trash and again select all these emails. So click on select. After selecting, here you can see the option of empty bin now. Click on it. So you can see written confirm deleting message. This action will affect all 38 conversions in bin. Are you sure you want to continue? So click on OK. So you can see our old emails permanently deletes from Gmail. So you can also delete the old emails from Gmail by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.